Hello, this is Juleon with Juleon Tech Reviews, and we're here with another video. And today we are going to look at and cover up our iPhone 16 Pro Max with the UAG Pathfinder case. And we are going to show it shortly. But before we do that, if you could please like, subscribe to this channel. We greatly appreciate it. Thank you for all the support. Don't forget, you can give your thanks below by donating either $1 or so to help you purchase any other items you want me to review. But without further ado, thank you for being with me today. Let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so I decided to pick up the UAG case from Urban Armor Gear. And this is a limited edition case. This is in the colorway of the Heritage Yellow. And this is priced at $54.99. And UAG, which is Urban Armor Gear, is one of those companies that protects your phone with a rugged style and look. And I decided to purchase it for my iPhone 16 Pro Max. And I'd just like to share with you my experience with it and just to give you the total look at it, and we'll go from there. So a couple of items on the case. This is the Pathfinder edition, which is 18-foot drop tested, and it has a built-in magnet for MagSafe. It's made with recycled materials, and it's just one of those cases that has that tactile grip, and it has the corner protection, and it's very light with its construction. So as you'll see in the video, when I put it on, it's going to look very, very nice and good. And it kind of looks like a yellow school bus / taxi and rugged phone for construction. So let's go ahead and unbox the case here. So as you can see, it comes in this white case. It has all the materials. It has the case exposed. And if I were you, before you get the case, I'll look at all the instructions around it to open it, because people tend to like come from the top, but at the bottom they have a pull to open kind of deal right here, as you can see. So we're gonna do that, and voila, you have access to your case. Now, when I first looked at it, it's very nice. It's really, really light. I mean, you can't even, this thing, it feels like it can break really easy, but it's so light, you can't even, tell the difference. All right, so it has this, carbon fiber-like hard material. It has the UAG branding here engraved. It has these little screws, and then it has this kind of like hard, hard plastic silicone grip here. As you can see, I'm kind of, bending it a little bit. Then inside you can see the MagSafe ring. And then it has this yellow honeycomb texture here. So got adequate protection. And then it has the, corner protection. And then it has the cutout holes for your USB-C cable, your speakers, your camera cutout, which is for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. It's got your tactile button for your power button, your volume buttons, and then your silent button here. And without further ado, let's go ahead and put it on. So I like to come from the side here, and then voila. So this is what it looks like when you have it on. So I have the desert colorway for the 16 Pro Max, and as you can see, it is put together very well. You can see the outline of the the octagon MagSafe ring here, and this is a beauty. So for $54, you're getting adequate protection, much better than Apple's silicone cases that cost like $50. So you're getting a great deal of this. Now, as you can see, it has the camera bump, and it is protecting the cameras very well. And as you can see, it has a lot of raised edges in a cupping form to help protection when you drop it. I've dropped it a couple times, not from 18 feet, but from 16 feet, and it has landed on his face just like that. So it does work. I haven't experienced any cracks or scratches, so keep that in mind. And then on the side here, you got your buttons, and let's see how it sounds. Very clicky. Okay, stereo button, lock button is good. Okay, and then, I won't show my card.
I didn't get that. Could you try again?
All right, and then got the cutouts for your USB-C and your speakers. So everything is coming in great. So this is just a nice little additive case to your iPhone, and it protects it very, very well. All right, the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna test out to see if we can wirelessly charge. So I have my trusty wireless pad here. Go ahead and drop it down. And you kind of have to move it around. And there it is, it's wirelessly charging. I have it on silent, so you can see the animation is charging, so no problem there. Now let's test the MagSafe capability. So it has this MagSafe to see if it hinders it or adds to it or what. So I have my wallet here from ESR, so you can get that on Amazon as well. And as you can see, it just snaps right on. I shake it, doesn't come off. So it has really tight MagSafe protection. And then if you have a key ring or a ring, MagSafe ring slash stand, you can just pop that on there. And voila, MagSafe does work. And the magnet is really strong, so you're getting a nice little boost when you get this case. But that's pretty much it. So my final thoughts on this, is it worth it? To me, yes, because this color is very nice. You can get this on Amazon or the UAG website. And if they say it's limited edition, but I'm still seeing it on Amazon, so I don't see there's no big rush to get it. But if you do, you're gonna get a nice case to go with your iPhone 16 Pro Max. Once again, this is the UAG Pathfinder edition, and it is the Heritage Yellow limited edition. I love the case. I give it a 10 out of 10. Let me know what you think in the comments below. But don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for all the support. Until next time, peace.